Well, crap. I was getting ready to do another music project, and my TASCAM 34B reel-to-reel tape machine fell over, so it broke the hub out of the machine. So this broken out piece is somewhere inside of the machine. So I need to find a new hub. This thing is like 30 years old, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to replace this or not. So crap. And then it bent the tape reel. 10-inch tape reels, those aren't easy to find anymore. There's my old CTAP bucket for sound equipment. So yeah, crumb. At least none of the other stuff got hurt. Everything else is working okay. Got the old Piani here. So anyway, here's the drive belt for it. I'm going to have to pull off this cover here. That'll be the easy part. Hopefully I can get this broken piece that fell down out. If not, then I might end up having to pull out a whole bunch of this other stuff, and that's going to be much more difficult very quickly because of all the knobs. There's all kinds of wiring going on in here. Not looking forward to having to mess with anything there if I have to. So, yeah, crap. So, yeah, anyway, we have our old music equipment here. And then we have something new here. And this little thing, that little thing will kind of do what this thing does. That is a USB interface for the laptop, and I have a complete mixing board in the laptop, a 24-channel board compared to this 8-channel board. And inside of my laptop with that is more recording studio power than you could have dreamed of having back in the 80s. So there's my trusty old 122B cassette recorder, one of the best recorders ever made. And this here is just a simple mixing board for doing little home projects. Anyway, okay, so yeah, glue is not going to work on that because these are precision parts. So I will have to try and find a hub from somewhere. Maybe Tascam Parts has one, or maybe I can find one on eBay, but I need to get a hub for a Tascam 34B. It was a fun tape machine to use, reel-to-reel machine. And I've got quite a few things from years past that this is the only way for me to play them back because they're all on 10-inch reels. Okay, let me get back to it. So if you ever wondered where the name CTAP1 came from, it was Caught in the Act Productions. So that was from a fun time in life, running around with the band. All right.